Okay, well, after doing a successful road test ride on the green bike, the audio worked just great. Kevin went out and had a good time, came back. We had a good discussion on it. And then between that time and the test ride on the Norton, my microphone stopped linking to the iPhone. I don't know why. I might have walked. I might have walked away into the house and came back and it didn't resync. So we have a silent go away and a silent come back. And we had a silent autopsy, but since I checked the audio and found out that we had lost audio, we are now going to recreate the after action report on the Norton. The test ride out and back are silent, but here's Kevin to explain what happened and how the test ride went.
Test ride went great. It's interesting to ride a 500 Triumph and then the 750 Norton. Norton was great. Accelerates great. Shifts great. Again, the 500 has such a big throw, and the Norton has a tiny throw.
Yeah.
So it took a minute to, oh my gosh, not skip gears. Accelerates great. Brakes work fine. As I said, this works fine. It's just a long pull, which, I don't know if there's anything to be done about it. The clutch itself, the initial pull is kind of hard, and then it softens up. But, again, that's nothing that's a real problem. Said brakes work fine, accelerates fine, decelerates fine, handles great, takes off like a bat. She's great. She's ready to go. I see no problems at all whatsoever.
Okay, so we will give it back to the client with the caveat, do some miles on it, and see what they think about the front brake play in the handles. It engages firmly, but it's got a little bit of free play, and I don't know what to do about that other than go through maybe new pads. And then what else did you say? Oh, the clutch. He'll see what he thinks about the clutch.
Not horrible.
Feels good to me.
It's a little harder.
Okay.
And part of that may be, after the soft pull of this.
Good point.
I may be prejudiced, but
okay.
It works. It was not a problem. It was just harder.
Okay, so we had 2 successful test rides this morning. I'm now going to make sure that the audio on this thing is picking up, and then we'll call it a day on these bikes.
Yeah.
All right, and that's the way it is.